Let's see what you can teach me.
Everyone knows Bruce Lee mastered the Nunchaku, but almost nobody knows why he started practicing it in the first place.
So fast, yet so calm. I need to learn.
This story begins long before movies, fame, or even Jeet can do. It began with a challenge, and a moment Bruce would never forget. Back in mid-1960s, Bruce Lee was obsessed with one question. How can a smaller fighter dominate a bigger opponent? He studied everything: boxing, fencing, Wing Chun. One day, during a visit to a friend's training hall, Bruce watched a monk perform a traditional Okinawan weapon demonstration. The movement was fast, unpredictable, impossible to read. For the first time, Bruce saw the Nunchaku. Instantly, he understood its potential. Speed, precision, chaos that only he could control. And in that moment, he whispered to himself, "I can make this faster." Bruce didn't learn the Nunchaku for the movies. He learned it for combat efficiency. Every night on the rooftops of Hong Kong, he practiced alone. Complain about the sound of wood cutting the air. But Bruce didn't stop. He trained the Nunchaku the same way he trained his fists, with speed, power, and absolute mastery. In less than a year, Bruce transformed the Nunchaku from a traditional weapon into an extension of his body. He added boxing footwork, he added Wing Chun timing. He added his own rhythm, lightning fast, unpredictable, beautiful. Directors didn't ask for Nunchaku scenes. Bruce demanded them, because he knew the world had never seen anything like it.
Ready?
Whenever you are, Bruce.
Watch closely.
Whoa, look at that speed.
Precision is not just hitting, it's stopping exactly where you choose. Up, cross, down. Incredible.
That's film magic right there.
You roll, I move. Let's capture it.
When Bruce Lee spun those Nunchaku on screen, they didn't just look cool. They showed the world his philosophy. Adapt, improve, create your own path.
Adapt. Improve. Create your own path.
That's why the Nunchaku became legendary. Not because of the weapon, but because of the man who held it. If you want more deep stories behind Bruce Lee's iconic techniques, subscribe to Build Different, because legends aren't born, they're made.